Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best watch travel cases on the market, the ROSELLE Watch Roll Travel Case. If you're looking for a stylish and practical way to carry your watches while traveling, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's kick things off with why this watch roll stands out. It's designed with 3 watch slots, each equipped with removable pillows that securely hold watches of various sizes. Whether you're packing your favorite timepieces for a weekend getaway or a business trip, this case ensures they stay protected and organized. Crafted from high-quality PU leather with a luxurious suede interior, the ROSELLE watch roll not only looks elegant but also offers excellent protection against scratches and bumps. The materials used are durable, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. What I really appreciate about this travel case is its thoughtful design. The pillows can be adjusted and secured to fit different watch sizes snugly, preventing any unnecessary movement during travel. This minimizes the risk of damage and keeps your watches in pristine condition. Portability is key when it comes to travel accessories, and the ROSELLE watch roll delivers on this front. It's compact enough to slip into a carry-on or luggage without taking up much space. Plus, its roll-up design and secure closure mechanism make it easy to access your watches on the go. To sum it all up, if you're in the market for a reliable watch travel case that combines style, functionality, and durability, the ROSELLE watch roll is definitely worth considering. It's designed to keep your watches safe and secure wherever your travels take you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy travels and keep exploring.